Donald Trump suffered a major legal setback this week that has nothing to do with the 2020 election and nothing to do with January 6th. However, this one does have the potential to immediately put the brakes on any future presidential aspirations that Donald Trump may in fact have. This, folks, is the case, the defamation case, filed by E. Jean Carroll, a reporter who says that in the 1990s, Donald Trump confronted her and sexually assaulted her in the fitting room of a department store in New York City. Here's why this case, and I've been saying this for years, if you've been watching this, you know that I've always put my faith in this case. Here's why this is important. Donald Trump attempted to get the lawsuit thrown out by having his then Attorney General William Barr tell the court that when Donald Trump said that E. Jean Carroll, 1, was a liar and 2, was not my type, which is what the defamation stems from, he was acting in his official capacity as the President of the United States. That wasn't just the statement of a dude, refuting a woman. This was the statement of the President of the United States, an official proclamation, I guess. Therefore, he cannot be sued for it for defamation. And the judge considered it. Like these last couple weeks, I've been following this. It's been very scary because the judge had the opportunity, based on that argument, if he so chose, to throw it out. But this week, the judge said, nope, I don't buy it. I am not going to go along with your rationale to have this case dismissed, and I am setting the trial date for beginning February 6th, 2023. This is moving forward. On top of that, witness depositions are now set to begin next month. So this case is moving forward, and it's moving forward rapidly. So why, again, do I think this case has the potential to ruin Donald Trump's career? Because of DNA. See, Ms. Carroll says that she has the DNA of her attacker from that day, saved on that outfit. All she needs, and of course her legal team has been requesting for quite some time now, is a DNA sample from Donald Trump. If the samples match, he's guilty. Because she also, has the outfit where the DNA was obtained from, and I think we all know what I mean when I say DNA. So she has it, it's on the outfit. If Trump gives a sample and he matches, that's proof. She just won her case at that point. And more importantly, she proved that Donald Trump raped her. And while the statute of limitations has, of course, passed for that, he would not be convicted of it or anything, we would know that Donald Trump raped somebody. He would, well, you can't say that because he wouldn't be convicted, so you can't give him the title, but we all know. We would all know. And if you think anybody outside of the MAGA crowd would vote for somebody who, was basically credibly accused of rape, then you're kidding yourselves. He would not get a vote from a moderate Republican. He would not get a vote from an independent. And I doubt he would get any votes from those, flip over Democrats. He would be done. That's why this case is so important. And what's even more important is that E. Jean Carroll does not settle. If the case is moving forward, Donald Trump will likely be compelled to give a DNA sample. At that point, I imagine that is where he is going to say, you know what, let's settle. Let's just make this go away and settle. And I implore you, E. Jean Carroll, please do not settle this case no matter what. I don't care if he comes at you and says, I'll give you $5 billion to settle this. Do not do it. Because this isn't about the money. You know that. E. Jean Carroll, of course, is not about the money on this. Trust me, folks. We want to know the truth. We want to know if that is who this man is. It fits with some of the other accusations we've seen over the years. And this could be the only possible chance we have to firmly prove it. But all of that will disappear if this case settles. So I'm begging those parties involved, don't let that happen. Because we need that DNA sample so that we, and of course Ms. Carroll, can finally know the truth. This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.